Hey everybody, on tonight's video I'm going to replace the teeth here on my STIHL gas powered weed eater. So on my gas weed eater, I installed the Polycut head on it. For regular weed eating around the house and stuff, I use a DeWalt cordless weed eater, and for me that thing works great. I've heard people complain that the batteries don't last as long, but honestly my arms, I get a little arm pump. One battery at a time, that's plenty. I have multiple batteries, so I could just throw another one on there, but you know, that's enough for my arms. So this Polycut I use on, like, if I've got some big kochia or other weeds that really your string fed will just, I mean, it'll eat it instantly. So installed this, and I took out some really big weeds the other night, and now I need to replace this. This will be kind of interesting because I installed it and I haven't really replaced these that many times, so we'll see how this goes. And of course it's got some debris from the weeds that I cut on there. Get that out of there. I'm going to try and keep these screws on the head, but we'll see if that works. Just go a little more. Okay. So here's the three that came off. And here's the length. This was the longest one that was on there compared to the new one. So yeah, they tore up some weeds, but they got tore up too. So now this is the part where you kind of, it'd be nice if you could be two different directions, because you need the head upside down basically to get these on there. But then you don't want them falling off, so I'm going to try and just keep it close when I'm doing this. And then hopefully all three of them will be in their proper spot. That one started. That one started. Alright, I got all three of them started, so that actually did work out pretty well. Just was kind of gentle with it. And I'm kind of going around and tightening them a little bit at a time instead of all at once. That one's tight, and yep, still moves. There we go. That went pretty good. Make sure get the Ziploc closed on those, so that way they will last longer. But that actually went pretty good. Got it on there solid. This is a STIHL. What number we got here? Model number. Might be time for some new bifocals. Engine CA8XS for the engine. So 27 cc on this thing. So it's nice, but you definitely want to use the strap because it will get heavy on you. But she runs really good and works great for the bigger stuff. Well, there we go. There's the model number right there. Remove the dust. It's an FS56RC. So there we go. A little dusty, but now it's got new blades and we can knock out some more of the kochia or whatever crazy weeds growing that I need to get knocked out. So as always, take care and thanks for watching.